Sunday, August 1st, 2021. Let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back. Fertilizing today. Grass really needs it. It's been a while. It's been stressing, browning. We're going to take good care of it and give it a boost. Do you remember my rose bushes? They're doing well. Got some yellowing by the leaves. Be careful of too much watering. Over here, about the same. I watered, it rained again. I watered, rained some more. Be mindful of that. I don't know if you guys can see the insects that are flying around as I mow the grass. I have to tackle that issue. I bought some stuff. Hope it works. I'll make a video about it in the future. By the way, I wanted to encourage you to buy some of these lawn bags. I bought mine from Menards a while back, never used them. They're great and so big that my whole lawnmower bag can fit in one, and my shovel when I'm dumping trash. I pick up a lot of stuff around the house, and it's better to use these than trash bags. They do a great job. I highly recommend. Oh yeah, get some. Time for the moment we all been waiting for. Let's put down some fertilizer. I'll use the hand spreader for this job. Guess who's back? Scott's Turf Builder Triple Action. Can't wait. The instructions suggest to set a Scott's hand spreader to 5. I'll set mine to a 5 and comply with that. See how that works out. Honestly, guys, a 5 was a bit much. Turned it down to 3. That's a little better. Nothing's coming out now. I can't turn the handle and record at the same time. Just showing you my route. It's the same as when I cut the grass. In a circle. Oh yeah. I want this stuff to spread throughout the yard. I ended up setting it to 1. We'll see what happens in the next few days. Have to water this stuff in. You guys can subscribe. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.